Assalamu alaikum, dear student, how are you? I hope all of you are very good, and very good afternoon to all of you. Yesterday I have given one home task to you, and you have to write each statement 4 times. That means 4 theorems we have, and you have to write 16 times. 4 theorem. One theorem 4 times. But the thing is that, unfortunately, even some of you, not all of you, some of you don't understand what is the statement of the theorem. It's okay, I accept it. It's not a big problem. Okay, if you don't know, it's okay, fine. Lots of things we don't know. It's okay. But from today, all of you have to know what is statement. Okay. The first thing I'm just telling you, just let me know my sound quality, video, everything is okay or not. Just write in the comments everything is okay or not. Okay, and after that I will start my class. Okay. And of course you have to write your name, role and section, of course. Walaikum assalam. Very good. Walaikum assalam. Okay, everything is okay. Sound, sir. Yeah, everything is clear, sir. Thank you so much, Adrika. Okay, thank you. Write your name, role and section properly. Okay, because very important, when we take our attendance, we have to go to the class, and we are just scrolling one after one student who are attending in the class. Okay, my dear student. So most of you, some of you did very well, and most of you didn't write the proper things. But thing is that which was very important for me, I gave a home task to you, and you give the delivery properly. That is very important, because when one teacher gave any homework and you do properly, that is very good thing, I think, for teacher, for everyone. Okay. So I think all of you are very obedient. Within just overnight, you did your homework, and I think more than 100 students submitted their homework. Okay, some of you didn't properly. You don't even understand what is statement. It's not a big deal. Okay, from today, your whole life, I think you will understood what is the statement actually. Okay, so let's start. What is statement? Look at that. This is our book. Okay, and when every single theorem what given in the book, right here, this bold letter, theorem 1, this 2.5 lines written here, this is called statement. Okay, this is, and what you have written, the SAS theorem, side angle side, that is not statement, that is just elaboration. S means side, A means angle, and S means again side. It is okay, side angle side. It is just elaboration, and SAS is abbreviation. Okay, very short form, side angle side theorem. Okay, so I think from today all of you understood what is statement actually. In you will go, inshallah, you will go class 7, class 8, class 9, class 10, even further. Even in your graduation level, you will get different kinds of theorems also there. Okay, and I think you can understand what is theorem statement if you see there. And someone asked me what is general enunciation and what is particular enunciation. General enunciations always contains directly the statement, no change, nothing, as it is exactly. You have to put the statement of the theorem in the place of general enunciations. Okay, and particular enunciations is you have to write the statement to your own word. Okay, in different way. Just in the statement given, for example, 2 sides and included angle of them of a triangle. So of a triangle, they didn't mention what kind of triangle it is. Just you have to write in your own word, let ABC is the triangle, this way. Okay, different way you have to write. That is called particular enunciations, okay? And you know the constructions, what you have to do, and proof, of course you know that. But the statement is what you have given in the bold letter, it is called statement, okay? I hope all of you are clear. Okay, so let's start our theorem. Yesterday we have started, and some of you have written there, sir, we have given 10 minutes break, but you are taking our 10 minutes also. For after the class, we have to just after 1 minute we have to go to another class, so it is stressful for us. That is why I stopped at that point. Okay, so today we are just continuing our last class. Okay, so let's start. Theorem 1, that is called Sachs theorem. And use of this theorem, we will just complete one exercise, 10.1. I will try. Let's see today. Okay, so today is 26th, right? 26th of and today is Wednesday. Okay. So general enunciations, if you want, you can write. Another thing I have to tell you, just this fourth theorem, Sachs theorem, Triple S theorem, ASA theorem, and HS theorem. This fourth theorem is very, very important. Already I told you several times, but today again I am telling you, because last class you don't understand properly. That is why I am telling all of you have to memorize this fourth statement properly. Okay, yesterday also I told you, if you don't know anyone's name even, how you know the descriptions of him as a person? Okay, the same as here theorem, if you don't know the statement, you can't prove it very clearly. That is the thing. Okay, I hope you will just take it seriously and memorize this fourth statement. Okay, so let's start first one, theorem 1. This theorem 01. Okay, and our chapter name is Congruence and Similarity. Congruence and similarity. Okay, congruence and similarity. We know what is congruence, we know what is similarity. Okay, we have idea, we have basic things about congruence and similarity. So theorem 1 statement, okay, if two sides and included angle of them, angle included by them, okay, if two sides and angle included of them is equal to, are equal to corresponding two sides and angle included by them of another triangle. So look at the two sides and included angle of them are equal to two corresponding sides and angle included of them is equal to another triangle. We can say both of these triangles are congruent. Okay, so I am not writing the statement again here. Just I'm just taking two triangle. For example, here this is ABC triangle. Okay, ABC triangle, and this one is DEF triangle. Okay, ABC, it's looking differently. Okay, this is DEF triangle. Okay, so given in the question, the two corresponding sides are equal and included angle also equal to each other. So particular enunciation, okay, just let ABC and DEF are two triangles. Okay, are two triangles. Let ABC, we are just taking two triangles where we will prove our theorem. Okay, Sachs theorem. Okay, it is Sachs side angle side theorem. Okay, so let ABC and DEF are two triangles. AB equals DE. Okay, you have to maintain the order. AB is DE, AB equals DE, AC equals AC equal DF. Okay, AC equals DF, and look at that, AB equals DE and AC equals DF. Okay, someone, as of my experience in last year or previous year, okay, someone asked me, sir, why are you giving mark here? What does it mean? Some innocent student asking me same questions in different time. Okay, this means that 1 mark here and here also 1 mark. That means that this line and this line is corresponding equal line. Okay, this line and this line is equal line, and this line AC and DF also equal. Just marking here, same mark means they are equal. Okay, included BAC angle equal, okay, BAC angle equal EDF angle. So look at that, BAC, that means we are taking this angle, and EDF, same order, we are taking the angle. Okay, included EDF angle, included EDF angle, included EDF angle. Okay, so we have taken two triangle ABC and DEF are two triangles. Okay, AB equals DE, AC equals DF, and included BAC equals included EDF. So what we have to prove? It is required to prove that, ABC triangle congruence with DEF triangle. Okay, our objective is we have to prove ABC triangle congruence with DEF triangle. Okay, there is no construction, so directly we are going to prove. Okay, before going proof, just let me see your comments. Everything is okay or not? Do you understand or not? Do you have any questions or not? Okay, everything is clear. Very good. Okay, why this mean 119? Where is all other student? You will get 10 marks, extra 10 marks very easily if you just attend the class. 117, everything is clear like me. Okay, like Monojit. Okay, Monojit Ain. Very good. Okay, auto reactions are going. Okay, that's very good. Wonderful. So understood. Okay, so we are going to prove number 1. Okay, at first what we are doing, we know that what is congruency. Congruency means if we take two shapes or two figure, one figure exactly match with each corresponding sides, corresponding angle, corresponding points. Okay, each and everything. For example, if we put this figure on this figure, we have to see it. I am using have to, or we should see it. It is in one figure. Okay, keep in mind. For example, if you put this figure on this figure, we have to see it. It is a single figure, not this little bit dissimilar, not like that. Okay, so we have to see it same. So first thing is that we are just putting here, because three things we have given, three weapons like that. We have given this AB equals DE, AC equals DF, and included angles we have given. So we have to use these three things, and we have to prove both of these triangles are congruent. Okay, so first things we are using. Okay, we placed ABC triangle on DEF triangle. DEF triangle. Okay, we are just putting ABC triangle on DEF triangle, same angle. That we are just taking this one. For example, you can consider just one like a frame here. Okay, and you are putting this one, and exactly you are putting here like an hanger, for example. Okay, so we placed ABC triangle on DEF triangle in such way that I am writing just my own word. Okay, I think it will be very easy for you, because I think it will be easy. Okay, let's see. We place ABC triangle on DEF triangle in such way that A point falls on point A, falls on point D. Okay, point D, and AB goes along DE. AB goes along DE. Okay, and A point C falls on point F. Okay, so look at the three things, just three things I told here. This triangle placed on this triangle, A point goes to D, AB along DE, and the point C falls on F. Okay, three things. Look at that. For example, this triangle I am just not, you don't write here, you don't write, just keep it empty, just look at that. I am just giving one example to you for better understanding. Okay, so don't write here, even I can give here. Okay, for example, this triangle is here, again I am drawing. This is rough work. Okay, so and this triangle I am putting here. For example, just think like an hanger. Okay, hanger, I am hanging there, this point, and it's just moving. Okay, for example, this line comes here. Okay, and okay, and this point comes here. Look at that. This is DEF, and this one is A. For example, A. This one is B, and this one is C. It is just hanging. Okay, I place the point A on D, and it's just, we know that at our home we just place the hanger in same in the hook is same place, and it's sometimes it's moved. Okay, for just thinking like that, it's moving here. So that is why we just consider what is the direction. First point we fixed here, A point goes to D, and A along with DE, A along DE. Okay, AB along DE. That means that AB going to DE. So far we don't know AB equal or not. Okay, so now we can write, given in the questions we have given AB equal DE, we are using first one. This is our first weapon we are using here, AB equals DE. Okay, so look at that. We take directions AB along DE, and we know that, or we have given AB equals DE. So we can say this AB coincide with DE. Okay, we can say AB coincide with D. This is very, very important. What is coincide? What does it mean, coincide? Coincide means when this A point falls on D, and this AB's directions is along DE, AB's directions is DE, and in the questions we have given AB equals DE, we can say they are identical, they are same, they are coincide each other. Coincide means they hold each other the same way, that is called coincide. That means this both of this line matched each other exactly same, that is called coincide. Okay, for example, another examples I am giving. For example, where I have to write, okay, I am just erasing this part. Okay, or I can write here even. Okay, look at that. Here, are you watching clearly this part? Okay, for example, this line is DE line, okay, DE line, and AB goes just this part. AB, this A point start from here, and it's up to goes this for up to this point. This is AB. So we can say this is, they are going the same direction, but they are not. If it is not given in the questions, how we can prove it is identical? Okay, because if it is not given in the questions, we can't say it is coincide each other, because it's not coincide. It just goes up to certain distance, and after that it is alone here. So we don't find this part. Okay, we know this AB going the direction of DE, and given in the questions AB equals D, that means that AB coincide with D. Okay, that means that already we know last class, this is a side congruence or line congruence. So their AB line congruence with DE. So we can say it is a line congruence. Do you understand, all of you, this first point? This is very, very important theorem, because so far we have no any kinds of materials to prove this theorem, and after this theorem we can use this theorem, because already we know the such theorem is proved. So this theorem is very, very important than all other theorem, because so far we don't know, we have no any kinds of materials. So we have to prove with this stuff, or these three two sides and one included angle. We have to prove with these three things. Okay, I hope all of you understand. Just tell me the first point, do you understand or not? This is side congruency. We can say it's congruence of side. Side congruence. We can say it is side congruence. Side or line congruence. You can say even side congruence, line congruence. Line. Do you understand or not? Okay, every single step you have to understood. If you don't understand, you can write in the exam. My friend, please give your attendance. Yes, thank you. Yes sir, very good sir. একটু আবার বুঝান। ওকে বাবা, নো প্রবলেম স্যার, অল্প অল্প বুঝেছি, আবার রিপিট করেন প্লিজ। থ্যাংক ইউ। ওকে স্যার, বুঝি নাই, নো প্রবলেম স্যার, আরেকবার একটু বুঝান। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ, থ্যাংক ইউ, ভেরি গুড, very honest answer. Okay, so look at that one. Just don't write in your page, just I'm doing for your better understanding. For example, one line here. Okay, yesterday I told you one line congruence with another line. How? One line, when this line is 5 centimeter, okay, this line is 5 centimeter, and another line exactly 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, then we can say both lines are congruence. Okay, for example, one lines here 5 centimeter and another line here 3 centimeter, and both of line going the same direction. Okay, both line going same direction, same way, but one line is 5 centimeter, this line is 5 centimeter, and this one is, for example, 3 centimeter. So after 3 centimeter, it can't coincide, it can't hold another 2 centimeter, it's not possible. Okay, it can hold only this both lines is 5 centimeter. Do you understand? So it can be identical, it can be congruence, it can be equal, it can be exactly same when both lines are same length. So given in the questions, this line are equal and we have taken the same direction, and then we can say it is identical. Do you understand? Identical means one line holding another line exactly same. Okay, that means that they are equal. Okay, now you are clear. This is first step or first one. Okay, and after that we are going to this first line, and after that we are going to this included angle. After that we are going to next one, and same way we will just prove it. Okay, Just write in the comments, everything is okay. I am not erasing. Just, okay, this is our example, how it is. Okay, if you go look at that, I have given one example here. This DE and AB is directions is not same, is looking like that. So it's slowly it must come to here. It must come to here and coincide each other. Okay. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay, বিপুল রঞ্জন সাহা রিচেন মানে এবি যদি ডি এর ওপরে রাখা হয়, আচ্ছা, ওকে সো লেট মি টেল ইন বেঙ্গলি। ওকে, আমরা কি করেছি, এই ফিগারটাকে এই ফিগারের উপর রেখেছি, ঠিক আছে। এ পয়েন্টটা ডি পয়েন্টের উপর পড়েছে এবং আমরা এটা ডাইরেকশনটা যে হুইচ ডাইরেকশনস ইউ আর গোয়িং, ডাইরেকশনটা সেম রেখেছি। তাহলে এ পয়েন্টটা ডি পয়েন্টের উপর, অ্যান্ড এ বি ডাইরেকশন এন্ড ডিই ডাইরেকশন সেম। বাট ইফ ইন দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন, যদি কোয়েশ্চেনে তারা বলে না দেয় যে তারা ইকুয়াল, তাহলে তো একটা আরেকটাকে কোয়েনসাইড করবে না, পুরোপুরি হোল্ড করে নিতে পারবে না, এটা একটা নির্দিষ্ট জায়গায় এসে থেমে যাবে। তখন আমরা বলতে পারবো না দে আর কনগ্রুয়েন্স। কোয়েশ্চেনে বলে দেওয়া আছে দে আর ইকুয়াল, দ্যাট ইজ হোয়াই উই ক্যান সে এ বি কোয়েনসাইড উইথ ডিই। ওকে Babara Mara, do you understand or not? Clear, sir. Very good. Thank you so much. Wonderfully well. Very good. Sir, abar. Bujecho. Very good. Okay, understood, sir. Wonderful. This. Okay, so I am going to next step. Okay, step 2. Okay, step 2. We know that from 1 we know that AB coincide with D. So far we just 100% confirm that AB congruence with DE, already congruence. So they are equal. They are putting here one point, A point is on D and AB on DE, and they are coincide, they are congruence. Okay, so we can write from 1 we know that AB coincide DE. Okay, already we know what we did here. Okay, and ABC angle, not ABC. Okay, so BAC angle. Okay, so AB coincide with DE and BAC angle. Okay, BAC angle, look at that. If A point on D, AB on DE, so BAC angle must goes to EDF angle. It is very simple. Okay, so BAC angle, okay, BAC angle goes with EDF angle, EDF angle. Okay, goes with B. If A point on D, AB on DE, so BAC angle must go EDF angle. And given in the question, given BAC angle, okay, BAC angle equals to EDF angle, okay. We are just first, we can just think what is the direction, and according to the questions already we have given this BAC and EDF is equal, it is given in the question. So we can say BAC angle is identical or coincide. BAC angle is coincide with EDF angle, EDF angle. Okay, coincide with EDF angle. Because look at that again, the point 2 from 1 already we know that AB coincide with DE, and we can easily think that BAC angle, this goes with no problem, goes with EDF angle. So we can say, we given in the questions BAC angle is equal to EDF angle, so it's given in the question, so we can say that both of these angles are identical, or both of these angles is coincide with each other. Okay, so this is called this angle coincide with this angle. Coincide means this one angle exactly set with another angle, that is called coincide. So we can say both of these angles are congruent, that is why it is angle of congruence. Okay, angle of congruence. So we can say, we can write here angle congruence, angle congruence. We can say it is angle congruence. Okay, and after that I have to erase little part here. Okay, first one, if you understood well, just write in the comment box and finish your writing in first part. I will go to next one. Okay, Titisha, yep. Ruku Gangnam Style. Muna Meherun, what you are writing, ma? Okay, why not expecting this kinds of writing from you? Mona Meherun. My net were gone. Okay, okay. Repeat, sir. Done, sir. Understood, sir. Very good, very good. Okay, very good. Understood perfectly, sir. It's really good, sir. Apnar internet chole gesilo. Can you please repeat? Oh, your internet. Amar internet chole gesilo. Can you please repeat it? Okay, no problem. Sir, amar internet chole gesilo. Okay, sir. Understood. Okay, so I am repeating second part again. Look at that. Already we know from the first one. Already we know that AB is congruence with D. Already we know that congruence means this one part is exactly same with another part. It is called congruence. So again and again I am repeating same thing. So it is because it has to just take place in your brain. What is congruence actually? So AB, we can say AB equals D, and already we know that A point on D point, and we can say this BAC, this angle goes with EDF angle, and given in the questions BAC angle equal EDF angle. Question, it's given in the question, so we don't need to think even. It's given in the question BAC EDF. Just we have to show that it's given equal. We have to show that it is identical. It is same positions. For example, if you put BAC angle to DEF angle, if you put this BAC angle, this angle in here, it is not identical. It's never be identical. So you have to put this same directions, equal directions, or exact directions. What we need, okay? We have to put like that. I hope all of you understood. Estesham told me just his internet makes problem. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Sir, clear. Very good. Thank you so much. Okay, so I am going to number 3, step 3. I am erasing first one. Okay. So already we know, look at that. Already we know this side is congruent with this side. So we are putting this figure on this figure. So we know that this side already congruence. This side already congruence. I am just bolding this side, which side is congruence already. We know this side is already congruence, and we know BAC angle congruence with EDF angle. So this angle also congruence. Angles also already congruence. Okay, this angle is congruence with that angle. Okay, so now we are going to this AC and DF. Okay, so look at that. Now we are going to, because already we know that number 3. Okay, since we can write since BAC angle BAC angle congruence with, or coincide means congruence, or identical means congruence. Okay, so BAC congruence with, okay, we can say BAC congruence with EDF, okay, EDF angle. Okay, BAC congruence with EDF angle, and we can say, so AC, so we can say AC goes along with AC goes along with DF, okay, AC goes along with DF, and given in the question, given AC equals AC, just AC goes along with DF. What does it mean? This meaning is that we are just fixing the direction, which directions this line are going. Okay, that's it. And after that, we can say this given in the questions AC equals DF, and we say that direction they are going. That means that they are equal, of course, because in the questions the given. And why we are fixing the directions? Because if AC is going to DF, for example, AC is not going to DF, AC is going to this another line EF, so it not be congruence actually. Okay, so we are just fixing the directions. AC goes DF, and given in the question AC equals DF, so exactly they will match each other. So given in the questions DF AC equals DF, okay, so AC and DF are identical, okay. So AC and DF are identical. What does it mean identical? Identical means coincide each other. Identical means this congruence. Okay, so we can say this is third one. We can say this is also side congruence. So AC putting here. So now it is DF also congruence with AC. Okay, so already we proved this one side, one angle, and another side. And number 4. Okay, I am erasing this one. Number 4, what it is? Look at that. Number 4, we know what? We know AB coincide, AB congruence with DE. That means that A point of course goes to E, and C point, already we know C point goes to F. Okay, we know that B point B falls on E, and point C falls on F. Okay, falls on F. So we can say BC coincide with EF, coincide with EF, because there is no other way. Okay, because already this side coincide with this side coincide with this side, and this angle coincide with this angle. So, and B point goes to E point, and C point goes to F point. So this side and this side must be congruent with each other. So the BC coincide with EF, that means BC also congruent with EF. So we can say therefore ABC triangle coincide with DEF triangle. So ABC triangle coincide with DEF triangle. Therefore ABC congruence with DEF. That is our required proof. Okay, I hope all of you understood what it is actually. Okay, write properly and practice at your home. 120 student. Okay. $131. Okay. All of you, just I'm going taking side. Okay. All of you write properly. Okay. Okay. কষ্ট করে বুঝেছি ওকে কষ্ট করেই বুঝতে হবে বাবা কষ্ট করেই বুঝতে হবে এই ফার্স্ট থিওরেমটা কষ্ট করে বুঝতে হবে and we have to apply also in different way the same theorem. Okay, just write properly and just tell me if your writing is finished or not, and after that I will go to next one. Sir side. Okay baba, yeah, I have taken the side. Okay sir, 3 number ta bujhe nai. Why you don't understand 3 baba? Okay, so look at that. Since BAC congruence with EDF, AC goes along with DF. Okay, so number 3, before 3 we have finished 2. That means this line AB congruence with DE and BAC congruence with DEF. So without this line, okay, if we just congruent this one and this angle, and if we say this AC along DE, so AC must, because it's given in the questions AC equals D, so AC must coincide with DF. Okay, so we can say AC and DF are identical, or we can say it is a coincide with each other. Identical, coincide, congruence, it's same word, just synonyms word. Okay, we can say if it is identical, that means that they are congruence. If we say they are coincide each other, that means that they are also congruence. Okay, congruence means congruence. Congruence means exactly same in every single aspects, corresponding aspect, not every single. For example, this line AB is not same as EF, and AC is not same as DE. This corresponding means this side must coincide with this side, and this side must coincide with this side. That's corresponding side. For example, if you just take this one here and this put it on this one DEF, this way you have to think. Okay, not every single point matched with every single point. Every single corresponding point matched with corresponding points. Okay, every single point is not matching. For example, angle B is not matched with angle D. Angle B must match with angle this angle. I mean ABC angle match with DEF angle. Okay, clear? I hope all of you understood. I tried my level best to explain you with all efforts and everything. Okay, let's try at your home. If you practice at your home, I hope all of you will understand, inshallah. Okay, done sir, very good. Okay, so I am going just little example. When you start example, I think this theorem will just stood in your brain properly. Okay, let me give you just one example here, given in your book also. Okay, so okay, so look at that page 164 at your book. Okay, look at that one figure we have given, one example, just is very interesting. Okay, when you apply this theorem, you will get pleasure. I think because every single student get very interest to apply this theorem. Okay, this theorem maybe sometimes or some student understand very quickly, but sometimes it's not very easy for some student. It's okay. Okay, for example 1, look at that one figure we have given. Look at this way. Okay, one figure we have given. This figure A, B, C, D. This one is A, this one is B, this one is C, and this one is D. Okay, and this side equals to this side equals to this side, and this side equals to this side, and here is O. Okay, so look at that clearly. We have we have two triangle here. This triangle ADO or AOD, you have to take same directions, okay? So and another one is here, another one, this triangle, okay? Here is two triangle. We are just going to prove these two triangle as are congruent, okay? So in AOD triangle, you have to give the sign of triangle AOD triangle, okay? AOD, look at that, A goes this way, so BOC, you have to take B to this first one. Look at that, this notations we have given, or this just mark we have given. So yeah, I have taken AOD, so you have to take second one BOC. So AOD and BOC triangle, okay? And in the figure we have given AO equal BO. Where we have found it? Already we have given in the question, okay? And DO equals CO, okay? DO equals CO. It's also given in the question. And next one, just AOD angle, we can say included. If you write included, it is also okay. If you don't write included, it must be included. Otherwise, we can't prove it. It is we can apply the SAS theorem. Just impose here. It is not possible to impose. Okay. So if you write included, it's okay, no problem. If you don't write, it's also okay. But it has to be included. So AOD angle equal AOD. So BOC angle. Okay. Why it is equal? Because vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite. So look at that. This side equal this side. This side equal this side. And this angle, of course, it is included because this angle between two sides, okay? This angle between two sides and this angle also between two sides, so it must be included. So by SAS theorem, by SAS theorem, we can say both of these triangle are congruent or identical, okay? AOD triangle congruence with, this is congruent sign, okay? And you know that already. BOC, okay? AOD congruence with BOC. So what we have to prove here? AOD congruence with BOC. That is proved. So very simply we can apply this theorem, SAS theorem here, okay? Just copy it. Already you have given this theorem and prove everything in your book, okay? So I think you don't need to copy even. Everything is given in the book, okay? So next one, we are going to next one. If you finish your writing, just tell me. We are going to next one. Next one is Theorem 2. Okay, we are going to Theorem 2. What is Theorem 2 here? If two sides of a triangle are equal, the angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. Okay, right, Ruhul. I mean, yes, obviously, 4 classes. Problem is what? Okay, sir, आज के नार. Okay. Okay, what is your problem, Zahid? Like, seriously, why are you so obsessed with girls? Stop talking. Ruhan, what are you writing? Sir, 1 minute left. Okay, understood clearly, sir. No problem. Okay, we have to do it, okay, no matter what. Okay, sir, please, aaj ke na. Okay, no problem. No, sir, aaj ke na, sir, please. Okay, no problem. So tomorrow we will, what we will do tomorrow? Just I am giving little homework, okay? Look at that. Just 1 minute we can discuss even. We are not starting now. Look at that. Yesterday you have, I think, around 75 to 100 students submitted your homework, and up to 4 o'clock at night I have seen all homeworks, because it's my responsibility that you work hard, you submitted your homework, and if I don't at least see it, commented it, it's not looking good. Okay, so I'm giving just I'm not giving homework today. Tomorrow I will give. Okay, thank you so much for attending the class. Concentrate the class, and again end of the class I am telling especially Ruhan, Baba, please just control yourself. Every single class, concentrate the class properly. I think you can improve your performance very well. Okay, thank you so much all of you for attending the class, for your patience, everything. Okay, see you. Today is Wednesday. Okay, so we have no chance tomorrow. I must give you homework. Okay, sorry for that. I thought maybe tomorrow we have class. Okay, no, I have to give homework. You have 3 days time. Okay, I forgot. I thought tomorrow I have class. Homework. Okay, homework. You have to do number 1, Theorem 2. It's very easy, I think. Theorem 2. Okay, first you will do Theorem 2, and number 2 exercise 10.1 1 2 3 up to 3. It's very easy. You can apply very easily. I think you have to practice it. If you practice it 1 or 2 times, if you just little practice it, I think when I will do it next week, next Monday, we have next class in next Monday, so I think you will understood very well. Okay, thank you so much. Be fine, be happy, be safe, be healthy, all of you. Okay, and do the all classes properly. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.